For settings, go here, then click on settings. In first step, we have my account. Here you will see your account details you have logged in with, and below here we have company details, company address, phone number, website, employee, number of employees and all. Now I will go to the sub admin. To create sub admin, click on this button. Select your employee. Select role. You can select project you want. If you want this employee to access the selected projects, then you can choose projects here. If you don't, or if you want to give all projects access, then just leave it empty. Okay, so suppose if I want this employee to access time clock only, then I will give this role. But remember, you need to give linked role access also. So time clock is linked with the employees. So you need to give employee view access also. Here you need to turn this on. You need to give linked module access, because time clock is linked with employee and projects. So you need to take care about this while giving role access. If you don't do it, then your employee cannot use it properly. That module won't work. So you need to give linked role access carefully. Suppose if I want to give him project access, suppose, and project is linked with client. You cannot create project without client. Okay, so I have to give client access also. Client directory, I will choose this view. Okay, now I will click on the save button. So sub admin for this employee has been created. The default password will be for the sub admin is sub underscore admin. This is the default password for newly created sub admin. You can change password by clicking on forgot password button. You can search your employee here. You can change status of active and inactive. Okay. So now moving on to the next preference. So first we have measurement. To create measurement, click here, create type, then enter name. Description is optional. You can add if you want. Click on the save button. We have one new measurement here. You can change status if you want directly here. To edit this, click on this button. I will edit. Okay, to delete this, click on this button. Click on yes. Measurement will be deleted. Now for the cost code, similar way, click on this button. Add cost code ID. Add cost code name. Description is optional. I will click on save. So you can change status here directly, or you can edit by clicking on this button. I will cancel and delete it. Okay, for the paint products, Click on this button, enter product name, enter your code here, select the measurement, select your vendor, enter your price, click on the save button. We have new paint product here. To edit this, click on this button. I will change this price. You can do searching here. Okay. To delete, click on this button and yes. Now moving on to the purchase order type. So these things are quite similar. Click on this button, enter purchase order type name, select your structure, paint or general. You can change status directly here, or to edit this, click on this edit. Click on this delete button to delete this one. Okay. Now performance criteria. To create, click on this button. Click on save. You can change status here. To delete, click on this. To create new performance mode, go here, click on create, enter name. You can change status here. If you want to delete, click on this delete button. Then go to the master settings. You can change value only. You cannot create new master settings. You just have to change value if you want. I will close this. I don't want to change.